Did you know the simple combo? Garlic and honey fermented for a month is a natural powerhouse for your health. After 30 days, the garlic softens and the honey becomes infused with antioxidants and probiotics. The benefits are boost your immune system, fight colds and sore throat, improves digestion, helps lower cholesterol, support heart health, and detox. Take 1 teaspoon and garlic clove daily on an empty stomach. It's your all natural immune booster in a jar. Yummy. Like, subscribe, and share for more healthy tips.